Hey guys, Juan Mazo here today, and I'd like to cover the 3 things you need to be successful at anything, whether it's a hobby, business, career, whatever the situation is. These are the 3 things you need. You need community, resourcefulness, and you absolutely need passion. Without any of these things, these missing ingredients, you're done for. Why? Community. Community gives you the go-to forum to build your body of language, to have the knowledge to actually interact and have constructive conversation. Without the community, you have no support net, you have no like-minded individuals, you don't have the geeks to geek out with. You don't have that. You need that in order to make things happen anywhere, whether it's starting a business or whether it's going and getting up on your career and really launching that and making it happen. Resourcefulness is super important as well because your community can help you. But your ability to find answers to your questions on your own or with the help of your community, that's massive. Not all the time will everyone have answers for you. Sometimes you're gonna have to go out and do it on your own and understand that it's gonna take some time, but overall you've gotta do the research, you're gonna have to do the legwork sometimes. And this happens especially once you've mastered a concept. Once you've mastered something, it's a whole new territory. You're playing with things, you're doing things that people don't likely recommend, but if you have mastery over it, now you get to be resourceful and figure out how you can solve problems that you would otherwise not really have a solution for, that maybe everyone else doesn't have a solution for. And that's really when you have the ability to go ahead and master your subject matter, right? And the last thing you need to be is passionate. Without passion, you can't geek out. Without passion, you end up quitting when you start doing a little bit of research. You're like, can't be done, throw it out the window, right? Passion is something you absolutely need. You need that to drive you, to motivate you, to go to sleep, all disgruntled, wake up with some new aptitude and be like, I'm gonna handle this problem, right? That is what drives things. If you're not passionate about things, if you don't have the community, if you're not resourceful, you're probably not gonna be that successful. But the reality is that it's easy to find these things. Sometimes you gotta pay for them, sometimes they're free, but usually the paid stuff is a little bit better. You have access to better people. And reality is that you can probably find it in your own backyard. It just takes a little bit of walking outside your door to find it and make it happen. That's really all I have for today, guys. That's how you become successful at anything. Don't be afraid to let me know if this video sucked, if it was great. Post it in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on all my social media platforms. I'm trying to drop some more fire. Ask me questions, PM, DM me. I'm happy to help everyone out. And that is it. Thanks for watching today. Goodbye.